bekere ase ebiro bye kisemi ebyo birachikone kinga kisemi cyo mwako yega ukire wikirana asentiri abene wachakira kisikuru cyo boroso wika kisikuru cyo university ime agency ya Kenya ayo ungati ari amange ari nkwaganete ari moto yega kere moto nchenkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga Una anabatebye mwancu mugereria nigolitko lya rero mwaziri w'Ekisemi Julius Migoso Ogamba abwatokira amatemu ya abana be class ge 12 gose form 4 bari bakayata amatemu mwakuri leta w'Ekirubenda 25 ase umuyega uyokarekana kuri sensemeria ya Eldoret yere ime state range ime county area ausinigisho mwancu mugereria nyoranga abarakibwa chimiribu chiribu chimya kianda 23 chimya ibere na 25 mo atukabakora amatemu abo ase gati yabo abamuna abana bamura babe Kristo matemu abo nigo barenge abana kiribu kimya inye merango kianda na babere na echina merango kianda babere gose 492,092 igo barenge abamura gose abana abasaye bari batwa bakaransira matemu abasaba subati nigo barenge kiribu kimya isano nomo nabo igo kimya ibere na 14 abatwa bakaransira amatemu abese bono ase cintundebere chikobwatanya nigo aborokibwa awose nigo aborokibwa abasubati babereko babako babange ekobwa abalia abare abasacha asentera ere yabene mwancu mugira nyanigo nigo abantu bari babwatana ntikobwatiye gose ko makia matemu abo barenge abari mu kiribwe 30 chimya kianda na batatu goze 30,080 nyanigo abo nabali bari bakenete sentera yabene mwancu mugira ko maki amatemu ayo amatemu amane ayo mwaka wa 2025 nigo abarakibwe yemo chimya kianda 32 baretokaba abakonyora area ya egose airplane asebono aborokibwa chiribu isana babere 20 babetwa abakonyora area C nigo rero bate C+ go barenga aborokibwa chiribu chimya ibere 50 onomo babetwa babwike area ya C nigo mwancu murirya asentirere yabene nigo mwaziri ibwekisemi Julius Migoso Ogamba ayane kibuna egati iyabana mbere babwante n'utunubibwa amatemu nigo korra lyanga abana eribwe yemo kimya ayemo na 53 gozo 1180 tukaba abagotugutura amatemu aba tukaba kagotugutura bware nigo mbere go chikonyara amachibu abo asencera yabene ngati yebinte binge mu waziri w'Ekisemi Julius Migoso Ogamba abakaba ko kwanera omambya yabone igakare kurya amatemu alya kurwa asenyombe ya Joburari ya state range ime ya SSM ya state range isenyomba nene ya state range guardian semo ya Eldoret ime county ya Sinigisho nigo omwancu mugereria Sencheri yabene enigo atebanga serikali yabere koba age kubwato kachishiringe chi bilioni 94 chinu gutayibere ego chiase chiskuru chonsi go chakara chichoboroso wikeche chi university erigo chikwene kinga barokiba bali baso chiskuru umwako yegana netango yentanga nigo chibare koba bakonyeka na masomo sencheri yabene Migoso Ogamba nari bagali yabene mwancho mugeria koralyanga abali mu chiribu 10 ebali kurgo chakero mwaka we 2023 owiko mwako yega 2025 nomo asatebanga omwako yo chakiroka nigo abere koba korika abali mu kiribu 24 gosa 24,000 ase enchera ere yabene tigango tora ruati raboti oromo sayamo orwaye Julius Migoso Ogamba uyo mwaziri korase wizara ayekisemi emambya ayabonega unabere ko kago kwana korwa chinsemo chiria acha Eldoret asarenge meye nyumba yoboralia gose meye nyumba yobora ya state range imeye county ere ya Owasinigishu aya ngati yali Ogamba bakaba kwanera mwancho mugire.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the 2025 KCSE examinations, 993,226 candidates sat the examination compared to 962,512 candidates in the year 2024. This represents an increase by 30,714 candidates, which is an increase of 3.19%. Of the 993,226 candidates who sat the 2025 KCSE examinations, 492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male candidates. I wish to reiterate that our stand on the integrity of examinations in November last year, we indicated that there were reported cases under investigation and that action would be taken upon conclusion of the investigations. At the conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled. For this school year, for instance, we released the sum of 44.2 billion shillings as capitation for learners in all public basic education institutions ahead of school opening. This is the first time that capitation has been disbursed before schools open. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today, the government has employed a record 100,000 teachers since 2023, with 24,000 of these teachers recruited this year. A record total of over 25,000 teachers have also been promoted. To better prepare our teachers for the rollout of the competency-based education, our teachers have been retooled and reoriented to the new system. The primary objective is to strengthen teaching and learning in our schools and consequently to improve our education.
Kine chinkwanya chia Julius Migoso gamba yuralia matemu mambia banego mwanchu mulire nyoranga baliki baito kurwa imeya ya Nairobi gaiga anakura chinsamo chia busini gobandete kobeke kambe asichi skuru au nabayi gongo chibare kwenekia nakotoretera ya masa yemo inga inskuru kichia korero ya korero ngorwa busi nerelie ya tnereke gutangana mbana kibabere ko bakomesa ase amasomo ya KCSE chiskuru au chigerere gokora bya kurwa gongo rwa busi ne chiskuru chinyinge tobwate chimanya kaine mense ya Kenya akoba chiskuru chibonya wanene anane ase eberingo ebiria abya masomo yense ya Kenya nonigo kiraboti chinyinge chikugukira chicega kirimo amangana itama amaiya ari mutwe ye chinsa 10 ense yemana bayigo chinsizo chabutuko igoro ya matemo yabeka wasokibwa litkolera na atogosika muto mwancho mugeria nigo litkwirira rero igononye nigo umara ibwense arayiro muruberia oriyo nyota kurwa sense moya na kurwa sabara abasaye kiribu 50 egoikirania umuruberia oyo nyota oyubwo kwa abasaye kiribu 50 asekire yamo eriyo ogwe chakiriyo ubugima bwabo senche litkwirira umara ibwense nigaba kwanire abari kiribu uchabasaye kurwa sense meyo ya nakuru ase kiromo saye bono oyikirana sense meyo nalibanya yote kwenye libaga ryo gochorwa babago tumiro chisiringi kiribu 25 gusa 25,000 chisimi cyawo aso murebwe nsane kima insege kakimutinya yo magoseberega kiribu kinde 50 kibacho bakago tumirwa senchera ere ya beno omwancho mwe nonye nigo ruto nigare libaga rya beno gukwana abuna nigo abasaye gose nigo abasaye kiribu emya yemo bachiko bwatokerwa chisiringi chibilioni iribe ibere kinugo taisano insege metienyi etatu yani sechi wiki sato choka kire mutu asebona na kiringa ingabasa eribwe mya yemo bachiko bago bwatokerwa chishiringi chibilioni ibere kinugo taisano imeyense ya Kenya ngima ere kwane kinga murubiri onyo tangukira ndibore n'umurubiri orengete ko basira abasaye gwe chakira ebyasara byababanyene ere kunyara gwetenenda as obugima abwabo nonye nigo ruto nigayira kinga kichabene kwane kinga yino murubiri ori wekira ni murubiri bottom up imiyense ya Kenya nonye nigo murubiri ene kiringa eyune nchira ya moyo kunyara kubasira abasaye korunse na gucegero tobachikanyora achinkwana achiaye muske William Ruto unabereka baga kubatokira abasabo kirobye cyo kuri sense media ya Nakuru nonye nigo aseruta arikanika baga kwaburya abasaye gwetoma esomokyo manene iryo kwegenda ya gwenkerania magimabo.
That is the essence of bottom up, because we are looking for people right at the bottom of the pyramid. People who all other interventions exclude them, because anaambiwa wewe una certificate ya form 4, wewe huna ujuzi yoyote, wewe huna masomo. Lakini kama ni kijana wa Kenya na kwa bahati mbaya hana masomo, that does not disqualify them from being citizens, from being Kenyans, and from being deserving of support of the government of Kenya. Nyinyi mnanielewa jameni? So this is the design of this program, to make sure that every Kenyan, irrespective of their station in life, can qualify for support of the government of Kenya. Na hii program tulianza kule Kakamega. Tumekuwa jana Eldoret. Leo tuko hapa Nakuru. Jumatatu nitakuwa Nyeri. Nitaenda Laikipia. Nitaenda Meru. Nitaenda Machakos. Nitaenda every part of Kenya. Wiki tatu inayokuja tutakuwa tumepatiana 2.5 billion shillings to deserving young people in Kenya, 100,000 of them. And in another 2-3 months, tutawapatia another 2.5 billion vijana wetu wa Kenya. Na tunafanya hivyo because this is one of the interventions we are doing as a government of Kenya to make sure that mambo ya vijana sio kuongea. Mambo ya vijana, we have a deliberate plan. We have an intentional plan ya kuungana kama serikali na kutafuta mbinu na njia ya kuhakikisha kwamba vijana wa Kenya wako na nafasi ya kujisimamia, ya kupata ajira, ya kufanya biashara, ndio tuwajumuishe ile nguvu wako nayo, ile elimu wamepata, ile ujuzi wako nayo, wachangie katika kuendesha taifa letu la Kenya. Mimi nimefurahi sana kwamba nyinyi mumefaulu, mumehitimu, leo mko hapa, na kila mmoja wenu hapa leo utaondoka na shilingi 25,000 kwa simu yako. Today, hapa. Tunataka nyinyi kama vijana wa Kenya mupate nafasi ya kufanya biashara.
Na gutikana na yu mwancho murigiria nigo bona amenyi be Kinyoro gya Kibingo kigotoka imaye county ya Kirinyaga nigo bwendete kubwatwa no bwabo bonene mayengaje bikorwa abyobo ibi komendekana anse chinsemechio asema tuko abwangoiga asebono egakorwa akyabwangoiga nkeri inga nigo ababi watemanye kaini abetkoba ababo sagana hekanisa ya Love of Jesus Ministry na kweba imashini ye chisiringi chiribu emerongene na boigo gotagura na gosaria emashini eria ye token ye stima asense mejo na yabaningo ligabarakiryo kwa obwo bwabo inga ingo bibo korekana na yabai kanise yo kere mbarambare negeteseni kyabanyanyimbo ogya Kibingo.
Hapa kanisani miezi 2 iliyopita tumeimbiwa token ya kanisa na hakuna jambo ambalo serikali wamechukulia hatua, hatujaona hakuna hatua wamechukulia. So tunauliza kwa heshima, maana kuna watu wengi sana wanalalamika huko nje. Kuna uhalifu ambao unaendelea katika hiki kijiji cha Kifingo. So tunaomba serikali wafanye kazi yao.
Naona watu wa Kareine, watu wa sehemu zote za Inoi Ward wote wanalia aina ya wizi huu. Yaani wizi huu haujaonekana hapa kwetu peke yake. Wanabiashara wote wanalia mambo ya token. Token zimekuwa zikiibiwa kila uchao.
Na togosika mutu mwancho mugireria nigose ama abachigose nigo asama tukabwangoiga orabotirwa rurwe ne kiombekeria kya infotrak kyobotuki nigo bona rokorokia abuna omugavana abwe county area ya Trans Nzoia omuske George Natembeya na erebono obwato bosemyo bonene ebwege siasa asarogongororia alia western asinonya nigo arekanire egwanchwa abo nabantu abange na gutwara omanyi obonene ebuna obononye nigo omuspika abwe bunge nene meyense ya Kenya Moses Masika Wetangula amo onomone wa waziri Musalia Mudavadi barekanire ko bagotanchwa nibirengo byabo ya director bigoturumbuka nyanigo nigo obono ose omoriki omonene bwe kyamakire gya ODM na boigo oromo senator abwe county area ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna akinire enebirengo byogwancho mono asarogongoro olwa western mwancho mugeria ase gwikabona iga oroboti ururu infotrak nigo rokorkinga mugabana abwe county area ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya nigabwato gwancho akwibirengo obye emeronge 5 gako bwatibwa ano mwanire wa waziri Musalia Mudavadi uyo bwato gwancha kwibirengo bya 32 ase agwa bwato no bwange mono no omo senator abwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna uyo bwato gwancha kwibirengo bya 30 na yamo ase no nyanigo omo speaker monene bwe ebunge ne meyense ya Kenya Moses Masika Wetangula abwate ogwancha kwibirengo bya 29 egento kiane kiroko kwaya mono aso gwancha imeyege siasa asorogongo orwa Western.
Natembeya is emerging as the most influential political figure in Western Kenya. He is ahead of Musalia Mudavadi, Edwin Sifuna, and Moses Wetangula. So what this is telling us is that the Luhya in Western Kenya are rewarding perceived potency. Leaders seen as forceful, leaders who are seen as effective, than just formal office bearers or seniority in politics. So there's a change in terms of perception of the political leaders that we have. Western ones are visible, local and measurable economic contract. So it's not just an ethnic contract where you ally because of your ethnicity. It's about economic issues. So rhetoric and symbolism will not clear this bar. So anybody who is talking economic is likely to appeal to these voters as compared to those ones who simply rhetoric around ethnicity and other things.
Chiabutokire chidaika 15 na ibere igoro chinsa isano na ibere echiabono mugaso mwancho mugereria nabu nango sabo gukorera mangana maya hasenchira yo bwenkero geteseni kyao kyabene Gensoko TV kolende nyoranga chinsa 10 nande ngendere kwarigania alia abere kabaka kwendera gukorekana anene asebirengo byetsemi kubatikana korerwa kwa matemwa manene alia KCSE yo mwako lyo eta abagakorerwa rero no omwaziri ibwe kisemi Julius Migos Ogamba Joshua Nyauma amana director zake no bangemega yene nyoncho kwene kinga Mariogi mane chibicha wikere asenchera ere ya botwera runkoro kwa Daniel omwaga twaro mugasomu ya